In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for listings by agents on Zillow. Navigating real estate websites like Zillow can be daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, finding the perfect listing becomes much easier. Let's dive right into the process, step by step. First, you need to head over to the Zillow website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Zillow.com. Once you've arrived on the homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and enter your login details. If you don't already have an account, you can create one by following the prompts. Signing in will allow you to save listings, contact agents, and get notifications about new postings. Next, you're going to want to find the Find an Agent section. From the menu bar at the top of the page, click on this option. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can look for real estate agents based on several criteria. On this page, you'll see an option to search for listing agents, typically toward the top or clearly marked so you can start your search. Here's where you can begin to search for agents by entering a specific location. Simply type in the city or area you're interested in, and Zillow will show you agents working in that region. Alternatively, if you have a specific agent in mind, you can search directly by their name using the search bar. To refine your search and zero in on the ideal agent, Zillow provides a filter option. Using this filter, you can sort agents based on various criteria such as experience, reviews, and transaction history. This is your chance to find the most suitable agent for your needs. For demonstration purposes, let's say you click on Party as an example. Clicking on an agent's name will redirect you to their profile page. Here, you'll find valuable information like their recent sales, reviews, bio, and team details. Take a moment to explore these sections to get a comprehensive understanding of the agent's expertise and history. Scrolling down the page allows you to navigate further through the agent's listings, showcasing homes for sale, rent, and properties they've sold. This is a great way to see the extent of their experience and the types of homes they typically handle. Lastly, don't forget to read through the team reviews, which offer insights from past clients. This feedback can be crucial in determining whether an agent is the right fit for you. And that's it. You now have the know-how to search for property listings by agents on Zillow effectively. Whether you're buying, selling, or just exploring options, understanding how to maximize your use of Zillow can be an empowering tool in your real estate journey.